We'll guide you through how to implement Asana capacity planning. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Asana project on the desktop website. You'll see your project dashboard, and from here, you need to go to the Portfolio tab on the left sidebar. If you don't see it, make sure you have access to the Portfolio feature, as it's available in Asana's premium plans. Once in Portfolio, click on Create Portfolio, and name it something relevant to your team's capacity planning. After creating the portfolio, add projects that need capacity planning by clicking Add Work and selecting the projects from your workspace. This will give you a comprehensive view of all tasks and deadlines in one place. Now, to manage capacity, go to the Workload view within your portfolio. This feature allows you to see each team member's task load and availability. You'll notice a timeline and taskbars indicating who is assigned what and when. To adjust capacity, simply drag and drop tasks between team members to balance workloads. You can also adjust task durations by dragging the ends of the taskbars. This ensures no one is overwhelmed and tasks are completed on time. If you need to set custom capacities for each team member, click on their name in the Workload view and set their weekly capacity in hours. This helps in aligning their workload with their available time. Remember to adjust these settings regularly as projects and team availability change. It's a dynamic tool that keeps your team efficient and projects on track. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.